An Atlanta estate once owned by media mogul Tyler Perry has sold for a record-setting $15 million. The sale of this jaw-dropping residence is noteworthy as the first and second most expensive residential home sale in Atlanta. Set on the banks of the Chattahoochee River, the estate spans 17 acres on the north side of the city and seems to take full advantage of every single inch. Rolling lawns and formal gardens fill out the amenity-loaded property, complete with a 70,000-gallon pool, tennis court, guesthouse, guardhouse, and caretaker suite in addition to the main mansion. The estate is crowned by a mansion that measures about 35,000 square feet. There are just 7 bedrooms in the palatial home, giving the homes plenty of space, especially the master. 2 gates, a dramatic fountain, and a stone walkway approach the home, which sets a stately tone with a marble-clad, chandelier-topped foyer with dual staircases. 2-story common spaces include an expansive living room, a great room under wood beams, and a dining room lined with murals, as well as a library with a spiral staircase. As the home develops, the examples of craftsmanship accumulate. The list includes stenciled tray ceilings, frescoes, hardwood paneling, and carved stone fireplaces. The kitchen features a coffered ceiling, an unusual choice for a kitchen, and there are buttress supports in the massive home theater. A lounge, an underground ballroom, a reading room, and a massive great room with a 2nd-story ceiling are other outstanding spaces in the home. The home has 7 bedrooms, any of which could be called a master bedroom in most homes. But there's one in particular that stands out. Surrounded by windows and equipped with a state-of-the-art sound system, the master bedroom is something special. Here, you'll find warm hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and rich textiles. There's an adjacent spa-quality bathroom, capacious walk-in closets, and an inviting private fireplace. A stone terrace lines the entire backside of the home, descending via dual staircases to the infinity pool and spa down below. Past tiered gardens, there's a spacious lawn with an ivy-covered lounge at the edge of the property. Tyler Perry bought the French-style mansion in 2007 for $9 million and invested millions into improving it. When Perry sold the home in April 2016 to entrepreneur and evangelist David Turner for $17.5 million, it was the highest sale on record for the Atlanta area. Turner put the property back on sale for $25 million in 2018 and sold it to talk show host Steve Harvey for $15 million in 2020.